Number 10, part B says to calculate the mean of this data set. Okay, now when you take a look at the data set, you are seeing that frequency is present. So this is the formula for mean when you have a table of values and frequency is present. Take a sneak peek at the list of formulas, and here it is. Mean of frequency and interval distribution. Here it is. If you compare it to the mean for raw data, frequency is not present. So please take a look also on your screen, make your eyes ball your peas, check it out to familiarize yourself with the formulas. You are not required to memorize them, but familiarize yourself with them. So this is the formula for mean when you have a table and frequency is present. Now, when you look at the formula, sigma is all over the place. That very famous sigma we first came across when we were spelling statistics. Yes. When we were spelling statistics, this is the symbol for the sum. It means to sum because the S was used for standard deviation. So the statisticians went to the Greek symbol for S. And here's another symbol for S. Capital S, small s, capital sigma, small sigma. Here it is. We are going to use it again. We're going to see later down. And that looking like another type of S, statistics. Okay, Greek. So we are learning a little bit of Greek in the whole process. And we don't have a choice because in the formulas, Greek symbols are present. Okay. So therefore now, this is the formula we are going to use, and sigma is present both in the numerator and denominator. In the denominator, it's saying the sum of the frequency. Sum of frequency, only one letter, so we just have to add the frequency. So to get the denominator, we simply have to add the frequencies. The numerator now is saying the sum of fx. Remember we said anytime you see sigma, always start from the right. Start from the right, and then you go towards the left. Accomplish all what is to the right first before you sum. Don't be tempted to start from the left. Okay, it's the sum of fx. It's fx we have to sum. And the most efficient way of doing that, create a table headed fx. Okay, do the fx's and then find the sum. All right. We already have, this will be our x's. We already have our x's in Excel. What we missing now? F's, 8, 20, 30, and 12, right? That's it. 8, 20, 30, 12. While I am doing 8, 20, 30, 12, you're supposed to be doing the frequencies in the assignment itself. Okay, I would encourage you to do that. Okay, at least start it, the midpoints in the assignment itself. All right. Now, we're going to find our fx now, f by x or x by f, because multiplication is commutative. It doesn't matter the order. 10 8s are 80, 8 10s are 80. So it doesn't matter fx or xf. It doesn't really matter. It's something better saying fx, right? Because f coming before x in the alphabet. Instead of saying vu, uv better, right? gf better, ab better, you know, because of the sequence of the alphabet. But fx and xf is the same thing. Okay, because look the x there, the x happens to be first than the f. So we're going to do an xf equal c1 times d1. Enter. 80. Manually, old school way, we would go 8 times 10. 8 times 10 equal 80. That would be, you know, before. All right. But you do your C1 times D1, and then you just go to that little green square, pop up, and here you have your FXs. Just copy it. Oh, by the way, we have to sum it first also. we have to create the sum thereof. Let's just put the sum one time because we have just found the fx's. Let's sum them up because that's what we need. All right, the sum of the fx's, and then I can just copy this, minimize this, go there. We'll probably need to create another row. Just go on that side, click enter, and we go back to see if it is still activated. So just right and just put the Control V to differentiate this. Put it in bold because it is a sum. Okay. Cross check 2255. We want the sum of the frequencies. Okay. Do I have the frequencies? Yes, I have them. I can just copy this formula and it gets give me 70 one time. Do I verify the sum of D1 to D4? D1 to D4, the sum. Okay, so it's 70. So I can just type 70 there. Highlight, put it in bold, increase it a little bit. So this is our numerator, this is our denominator. Okay, so therefore now we can just come here. Can delete this. Type your therefore. Little space. Go to insert. Go to equations. X with a bar on top of it. This is a symbol for MEAN of a sample. Words to symbols. Okay. SUM is sigma. MEAN of a sample is X with a bar on top of it. All right. Words to symbols. So the mean is equal to the sum of fx, which is 2255, divided by the sum of f, which is 70. 2255 divided by 70. Go to our calculator. 42.214, and you can even get that same value in Excel. You can say mean, MEAN, is equal to E5 divided by D5. Enter. 42.214. 42.214. 2 decimal places suffice. Equal 42.21. Okay, centimeters. All right. Hence, the typical height, average height, you can see typical, you can see average, is 32.21 centimeters. Okay.